In previous video, we have seen the reverse of a particular number by using mathematical operations. Same logic we can use for calculating the sum of digits from a particular number. So here we will take the we'll take the variable as sum, double sum, and we initialize it with 0. Then from this logic, we will take the remainder and number. So we'll comment this reverse statement and we will add sum is equal to sum plus remainder. Yes, and then we will change the output as sum of digits is, and instead of reverse we will add sum variable. Let's run this. Here we will do some changes. We'll change the text of button sum of digits, then few things from title. When we are doing this, make sure that you will maintain the separate code files. That's why we are doing this. Let's refresh this. Yes, yes. So we'll add 1 2 3 and click on sum of digits. Yes, sum of digits is 6. So you can add different numbers and do experiments.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.